My lords, with your permission, I would like to mention item number 13. My lord, my senior has requested if the matter can be adjourned for 3 weeks. I have taken the consent of the other side also.
13?
3 weeks.
Why?
Item number 13 can be adjourned for 3
Why?
weeks. My lords, my senior would like to appear in this matter. He is not available today. I have taken the consent of the other side also.
My lord, I am appearing for this petition as respondent.
There is a system in place where you have got to give a notification 1 day prior to that, to the listing of these cases.
Apologies, my lords.
Apologies will not do. Tomorrow. This is the matter tomorrow. You tell your senior to be here.
Obliged, my lords.
My lord, tomorrow, actually, my lord, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
My lord, I'm traveling on Wednesday. Can you have on Thursday?
Okay, Thursday. List the matter on Thursday.
Your Lordship, may I make mention of part 2, item number 1? Your Lordship, there are as many as about 26 witnesses in the matter. Your Lordship, I have some personal difficulty in conducting the hearing today due to bereavement. On account of bereavement, I have to attend a funeral. So if this matter can be posted tomorrow, Your Lordship,
Okay.
it will require some time.
Your Lordship, item 2, part 2, item 2. I think Your Lordship cannot take up this matter.
Is it?
Yes. I think it was...
I don't know. What's the matter about?
You have Zonun Matt Ply.
Oh. Yes. List the matter in the next week.
I'm open.
Lordship, regarding item number 6 and 7 of part 2,
Yes.
if my senior has some personal difficulties, so if this matter may be taken up in the next week.
Okay, this is on the prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner.
Respondent.
For the
Respondent.
respondent.
Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner?
Mr. Victor.
Any objection?
No, madam.
What is the matter about?
Uh,
2019 matter, madam. You cannot keep on adjourning the matter forever.
Lordship, if this matter may be taken up in the next week, definitely my senior will...
List the matter in the next week, huh? On the prayer made by the respondent's counsel.
Deeply obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, this writ petition is for challenging the impugned Lok Adalat award, which was passed on
How do you
27th
challenge a Lok Adalat award?
by way of writ, my Lord.
How? Is there any?
Yes, it is on the basis of the Honorable Apex Court's judgment, my Lord.
Yes, give me that.
This is 2018 volume 13 SCC 480.
Yes.
My Lord, may I bring your Lordship directly to para 24.
Yes.
I may read, your Lordship.
Yes.
In our considered view, the aforesaid law laid down by this court is binding on all the courts in the country by virtue of mandate of Article 141 of the Constitution. This court, in no uncertain terms, has laid down that challenge to the award of Lok Adalat can be done only by filing a writ petition under Article 226 and or Article 227 of the Constitution of India in the High Court, and that too on very limited grounds. In the light of clear pronouncement of the law of this court, by this court, we are of the opinion that the only remedy available to the aggrieved person, respondents herein or plaintiffs, was to file a writ petition under Article 226 and or Article 227 of the Constitution of India in the High Court for challenging the award dated so and so passed by the Lok Adalat. It was then for the writ court to decide as to whether any ground was made out by the writ petitioners for quashing the award.
Tell me one thing.
My Lord.
Are you you owe them some money, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
How much do you owe them?
Your Lord, my Lord, it is not the matter of actually owing the money to the present respondent number 1. Because he worked, admittedly, yes, he worked under me in one of the contract works. But there is a dispute regarding whom that amount of money is to be paid. And one case is pending there in policy.
It is to be it is according to him, it is to be paid to him.
Yes, to be paid to him.
And according to you, it is to be paid to whom?
Then 2 persons are claiming for the money.
Two
One,
persons.
yeah, one set of persons is regarding the present Lok Adalat matter, and one,
Respondent number 1.
yes, respondent number 1, and he also says that he includes his other friends as well from the
Okay.
statement, from his
So
application.
anyway, from your part, you are liable to pay some amount.
Some amount,
How
but
much?
not this.
How
not
much?
this.
How much are you liable
Maybe
to pay?
around 8 lakhs, my lord.
8 lakhs.
Yes,
You are liable to
but
pay 8
I'm not
lakhs.
very sure as of now. I have to
You know,
calculate
you
it.
deposit 8 lakhs. And since you are anyway have got to pay, you deposit 8 lakhs. We'll see whether who is to be paid, that's a different issue. But to show your bona fides, and since you have got to pay either way, you pay 8 lakhs.
And in that case, your lordship, it may come up again tomorrow, and I'll ask my client to calculate the exact amount according to him what amount.
Okay. Right.
So I'll submit before this. evening.
Right. Heard. Mr. B. Lalram Meha, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the impugned award dated 27/6/2025 passed by the Lok Adalat, Aizol in case number LA bracket PRE bracket close C/N 395/2025, whereby the appellant was directed to pay, whereby the writ petitioner was directed to pay an amount of rupees 13,95,467 to the respondent number 1 should be set aside, on the ground that the settlement has been recorded without the writ petitioner having signed the settlement deed. Full stop. He submits that the representative of the petitioner, that is Mr.
Arlal Thanmoya.
Alal Thanmoya, had signed the settlement agreement without his permission. Full stop. The learned counsel for the writ petitioner submits that the writ petitioner does not deny the fact that he has to pay a certain amount of money to the workers who worked under him, which included the respondent number 1 and some other
And
persons,
some other persons.
in connection with the contract work of construction of river training works for protection of Klong River bank at Bhairavi phase -1 bracket group -Roman 2 inverted commas close. Synopsis I know. No. Full stop. The learned counsel for the writ petitioner submits that he will obtain instructions with regard to the exact amount of money payable by the writ petitioner to the respondent number 1 and the other persons. Full stop. This is the matter tomorrow.
Much
on the,
obliged, ma'am.
on the prayer of the petitioner's counsel.
Highly obliged, ma'am.
Item 2.
May please your lordship. My lords, this matter is regarding the ongoing recruitment conducted by the MPSC for the junior grade of the.
Where is the format? The portal. What is the have you taken out a copy of the form to be filled up in the portal?
My lords, we have that in annexure number 13, my lords.
Page
number 557, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, this is a screenshot. This is a screenshot by one of the petitioners, my lords. This is the online portal in the official online portal of the MPSC, my lords. Now, my lords, the main contention is that, my lords, these are the list of documents required to be submitted by the candidates, my lords.
So, according to you, the veterinary council registration certificate is not a required document.
Was not included in this list, my lords.
In this list. Okay, in this page 57.
My lords.
557. Yes.
Your Lordship, P. Mary is the conducting counsel.
Oh, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, at this stage, I do not have any instructions in the matter. So they are seeking for the stay of the matter. I was going to pray the prayer for stay should be taken up on any other dates.
We'll take it up on any other day, provided it is this week.
Yes, this week, Your Lordship.
But then we should
No
stay.
cause.
Why? You see, when a document on the basis of which they have been disqualified is not a requirement, is not required to be put in the portal, then is not required to be put online, then how can you deny them?
Your Lordship, I have been trying to contact the concerned department, but
What
I
is the
cannot
single? Acha, this is the single bench. Yes. Okay. Right. Right.
My Lord, I am for NPSC. May I
Yes.
please small submission? My Lord, here there is others column is there. So if you kindly see this OTR others, in that as far as the instruction I received from my client NPSC, so then in others column they have to upload that.
No.
that is a-
Others can be you. Others can include.
It's a very generic term, my lords.
Just a minute, Mr. Counsel. Just a minute. You see, others can include anything. Supposing others, you want the President of America's birth certificate. That can also be included in others.
My Lord, if you see advertisement, its
No.
requirement is at
Right.
page number
Heard,
9.
Mr. Heard, Mr.
Lalsan
Latsani
Masala.
Masala, learned counsel for the petitioners, who submits that pursuant to the advertisement dated pursuant to the advertisement number 30 of 2025-26 for recruitment of 4 posts of junior grade of MAH and VS under the Department of AH and V, Government of Mizoram. The petitioners had applied for the said post. According to the petitioners, the documents that were required for online application was the following. Page 557, huh?
My lords.
557, 1 to 13. Full stop. Subsequent to the above, the petitioners were provided the admit cards. Admit cards?
My
Is
lords.
it called admit cards or what is it
A
called?
valid list was published.
Huh? Huh?
First, a valid list was published, my lords.
Subsequent to the above, a valid list of applications were published by the MPSC
MPSC, my lords.
on 24/10/25,
My lords.
and wherein the petitioners, along with others, were declared as valid applicants. Full stop. Pursuant thereto, admit cards were issued in favor of the petitioners, and they were permitted to take part in the written examination conducted on 27/11/25. Full stop. The MPSC declared the results of the written examination on 27/4/2026. And what happened there? Were you selected?
We were completely rejected, my lords. All of us, all the petitioners were rejected.
On what ground?
On the ground that we had not submitted the
That-
registration certificate, my lords.
However, the MPSC rejected the applications of the petitioners on the ground that they had not submitted veterinary council registration certificates either from the state or from the center.
Correct, my
Full
lords.
stop. However, for 3 candidates who were initially shortlisted for personal interview to be held on 10/6/2026. Full stop. Thereafter, another person, correct,
Correct, my
another person, that is respondent number,
Responded,
Are they respondents?
No, they're not the respondents, my
Thereafter,
lords.
another person was also asked to appear for the interview on 10/6/2026. Full stop. Yes, madam. What do you mean? No stay. Why?
Your Lordship, as of now, I do not have any instructions at all. So my humble prayer would be to get instructions on that. Just a day, Your Lordship.
Okay, right.
My lord, one issue is also, my lord,
We cannot
normally-
hear you properly, Mr. J.C. Lanusanga. I don't know, either your computer, something is wrong or something. Your voice is, we can't hear you properly.
Am I audible now, Your Lordship? Am I loud and clear?
Yeah, slightly better.
I'm approaching near to the screen. My lord, normally in this kind of petition, successful candidates have already are always included as respondent, but in this case, they are the main aggrieved person.
No, nothing like that. Right now, right. As there is a prayer for stay, Miss Mary, the learned counsels for the Miss Mary L. Kiangte, learned government advocate, and Mr. J.C. Lanusanga, counsel for the MPC, pray for time to obtain instructions. Accordingly, list this matter on Thursday.
My lords, if sorry
Thursday?
to interject, my lords. If a stay
No,
order
my
may
lord.
be given, my
Huh?
lords. If a stay order may be given, my lords, at the interim, my lords. Because as of Friday, this last Friday, my lords, there was another order that was issued by the commission, my lords. So random unexpected steps have been taken by the
Does it
commission,
matter,
my lords.
Mr. Counsel? It is on 10 June.
My lords.
Thursday, today is 1st. Thursday is 4th.
My lords.
It's before that.
Very well, my lords.
Acha, just before that, we put in one more thing. The case of the appellant is also to the effect that the MPSC, wide notification number A-2/9/2001 MPSC dated 27/7/2018 had amended the Mizoram Public Service Commission (conduct of examinations) guidelines, 2013, wherein para 2 of the guideline number 7 required the MPSC to inform the applicants in writing and grant them 10 days time period for rectification of any incomplete application in the nature of non-enclosure of necessary documents or non-furnishing of crucial information. Full stop. The applicant's case, the petitioner's case is that when the petitioners have been given admit cards and have been allowed to take part in the written examination, it was quite clear that there was no infirmity in the online application submitted by the petitioners. List the matter on Thursday, on which date a decision on the stay and the prayer for stay shall be considered by this court.
Obliged, my lords.
Item number 3.
May it please Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents number 1 to 8. I was supposed to file an additional affidavit. Your Lordship, I'll be filing by tomorrow. It is ready. Much
Ms. Ruth, not Ruth, sorry, the London Learned Counsel for the government submits that additional affidavit in terms of the last order will be filed by tomorrow.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is the matter in the next week. What is the matter about?
Your
It's
Lordship.
regarding extension of Thorantlang Wildlife Sanctuary.
Item 4.
Your Lordship, I have a personal difficulty. If this matter can come up on Monday, I want
Why?
I want to attend a funeral, Your Lordship.
Why Monday? Why not tomorrow? Why not day after?
Your Lordship, tomorrow there's already a fixed item.
No, why not day after?
Day after, Your Worship, the DB fixed matters.
And
are there.
Thursday?
Thursday.
Huh?
Thursday. Thursday. So,
I don't, my lord, if it can come up on
This
next
is-
Monday.
Huh?
If it can come up on next Monday, my lord.
Next Monday. Both of you all don't know where I'm going to go, huh?
no, we
And
know Your
if-
Worship
It's
is going
quite
to-
clear.
Yes,
The case is quite clear.
If not possible, this Thursday also, no problem, my lord.
You all make up your minds. I'm not. You all take a decision whenever you all want.
Then it may come up on Monday, my lord, then, if possible.
One of you all are going to be unlucky. On the prayer, the parties list the matter on Monday.
That's a bridge.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Yeah, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents number 2, 3, and
And
also for 4, which is Kala. Your Lordship, there is also a respondent number 5, which is SDO Khozol. In that regard, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to file my vaka for respondent number 5, that is SDO Khozol. And also, Your Lordship, for the state respondents number 2 and 3, we have filed an affidavit in opposition. And for respondent number 4 and
When
5,
did you file? Who is for respondent number 1?
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1.
Yes, madam.
Lord, may I seek another 2 weeks' time for filing affidavit in opposition?
And what about respondent number 4? Who is respondent number 4?
yes, Your Lordship, I'm appearing for Kala Khozol. And also for 5, SDO Khozol as well, Your Lordship.
So are you filing anything for
Yes,
4?
yes, Your Lordship, we are filing. So if 2 weeks' time may be granted, Your Lordship, to file the affidavit.
Okay.
In the meantime, my lord, if I may also be allowed to file my rejoinder.
Yes. Miss
Baby Laldin Zwali.
P.B. Laldin Zwali for respondent number 1.
Number 1.
And Ms. Landundri, counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Submit that they will be filing their affidavits within
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Yes, Mr. Yes, yes. You are appearing for? What is your role here?
It's our primary because we have to pay.
You all have filed their affidavit.
We have filed the
So I think we'll have to wait for them. Okay, Mr. P.J. Saike, Senior Counsel, appears for respondent number 6 and 7. List the matter after, when, give a date.
20th of July or 3rd of August.
When do you want? When do you want?
That is fine by us, Your Lordship. If 20th of July,
20th of July. List the matter on 20th of July. In the meantime, the counsel for the petitioner is also given the liberty, petitioners is also given the liberty to file their affidavits in reply.
Item number 6.
Yes, who is appearing?
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petition appellant.
Your name is?
Karthik Jain, my lords.
Who is for the other side? What to do?
Maybe listed tomorrow, my lords.
Tomorrow? No one appears for the respondents. The appellant's case is that there has been enhancement of the market value of the land of the respondents without the same being based on any evidence. List the
And my lords, six building also has been included. There are two issues in this matter.
which 6 buildings?
6 buildings.
That is in the, I think that is in item 7, no?
Even this also, my lords.
Even this?
Even in this, my lords.
Plus 6 buildings been included in the award, even though the same was not a part of the initial award.
Yes, my lords.
Issued by Kala.
Kala.
Issued by Kala, CALA. Huh?
Item 7.
Tomorrow. Yes.
My lords, in this matter, a written objection has been filed by the other side. My lord, with respect to the written objection, my lord, I would like my lords to refer page 12 of the written objection, my lords. Which is the prayer, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, prayer A says dismiss the appeal as not maintainable under section 34(2)(a). My lords, we have never been before the additional district and session judge under section 34(2)(a), where vis-a-vis we were there before 34(2)(b), my lords. So the whole written objection is not relevant to our present case, my lords.
You see, mistake in typing out the wrong provision.
Even the whole written objection is about 34(2)(a), my lords. I have read the whole written objection. It's about 34(2)(a). They have raised the objection.
Anyway, so basically, your case is with regard to
inclusion of VC pass holder and enhancement of market value.
Yes.
Your Lordship, may I take Your Lordship to page 4 of our written objection. The appellant was the appeal was barred by section 34(2)(a). As Your Lordship, there is no question arising in the arbitrator, Your Lordship, about the genuineness of the VC pass, Your Lordship. And no foundation plea before arbitrator, Your Lordship.
No, you see, the arbitrator has already passed an award.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So arbitrator's award is there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, they are challenging the arbitrator's award on
Yes,
the
Your
grounds
Lordship.
that
On the grounds that, Your Lordship, the ownership of the, and it is also overrides section 26 and 30 of Mizoram Land Revenue Act. That is the grounds of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
let us see a prayer before the arbitrator, before the first appellate court.
My lord, want to review the provision with which we were there before 34, my lords. My lords, the petition is not enclosed, but my lord may come to may come to page 9 of the petition, my lords. It will be clear from there. Page 9 of the petition.
Page 9
Of the appeal, my lords. Page 9, para 8, my lords.
Yes.
Being aggrieved with the impugn arbitral order dated 5/9/2023 that allowed some of the claim of the landowner, the present petitioner filed the present petition under section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1966 for quashing, remanding back the impugn arbitral order, assailing that the impugn order is perverse, illegal and against the public policy of India. That comes under 34(2)(b), my lords.
Mr. Counsel, I am not on that. That is general. It's like saying that the world is very hot. Which part is hot? Is the Arctic hot, Antarctica hot? You have to clarify. What do you mean you're giving me a, it's against the public policy? What is the stand, the specific stand you have taken?
My lords, the petition is not enclosed, but my lords
Huh?
will file an additional affidavit. Will file the petition that we have filed before Section 34, my lords. Will comply with that order within a week, my lords.
What kind of an appeal is this?
My lords, we were challenging that the landowner, they are claiming the land
Where
compensation.
is the challenge reflected in the order, impugned order? And where is that challenge reflected in the petition that you submitted? How do we know that what you are saying now has not come up for the first time?
My lords will enclose the petition of Section 34. Will file an additional affidavit, my lords.
And what about before the arbitrator? What was the issue taken up there?
My
Where
lord,
is your pleadings before the arbitrator?
my lord, the arbitrator award is at page 16.
Not the award. Where is your pleadings before the arbitrator?
My lord, we have only filed the petition of the other side of the arbitrator. We have not filed the written objection. My lord will comply with the order. Will file a written objection.
The prayer made by Mr. Kartik Jain lists the matter after 2 months.
Item number 8.
Yes, what is this?
My lords, there was some error with the service report as per the last order.
Why are you challenging this order?
My lords, in this, we are challenging on the basis that the compensation has been revised and escalated without any evidence to substantiate the revised amount, my lords. As well as, my lords, there has been an inclusion of Assam type building by the learned arbitrator, and which has also been included without any evidence, my lords.
Yes, who is appearing for the other side? Mr. Right. No one appears for the respondent. As per office note dated 27/5/26, notice issued upon the respondent number 1 has returned unserved from the post office. However, duly signed AD card for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 has been returned. Respondent number 2 is only a performer.
Yes, my lords. My lords will take step for dusty
Respondent
service.
number 2 bracket performer respondent. Then appellant to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1 by a registered mode, by speed post and usual mode within 3 days. List the matter after 2 months.
Item 9.
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner. My lord, the issue here is that for challenging eviction of petitioner from our house, from the locality of Tanril, and also burning, like we also, my lord,
So
have a prayer for,
you have left the house.
yes, my lord, because they issue eviction notice on that order on 27. And again, my lord, also we pray for compensation, 6,71,310 for the destructions of our properties.
You are supposed to file a rejoinder.
My Lord, I filed, the court was very serious and we filed it, and that we furnished copies to all the parties also, my Lord. And my Lord, as of now, my limited prayer as of now is that,
Yes. What?
my Lord, because the order was very clear in that 9(4), not to issue any public notice or such and such by the respondent. My Lord, now as far as our knowledge is concerned, they are collecting fees, and also regarding this case from the public in the country.
You'll have to do something with your computer. I don't know, it's echo or something. Your voice is not sharp, not clear. Anyway, as per the last order, you are supposed to file rejoinder affidavit. You have not filed.
I filed, my Lord.
You have filed?
I filed.
When have you filed? When did you file?
Copies were served to them, as actually, my Lord, as the governing council.
Copies may have been served to them, but you file it in the registry of this court.
My Lord, we serve it, my Lord. We file it.
When?
I think Friday or Thursday.
Not here. The office note says not filed.
My Lord,
Mr. Counsel,
Yeah.
I can't argue with you about facts.
Yes, my Lord.
Whether this fish is 1 kg, 2 kg, I don't know. It says here it's not filed, that's all. And I do not find it in my file.
My Lord, I cannot actually. My Lord, this morning the councils for government, she informed me that they would like to put it pray on
You
Thursday.
have been given a copy?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When?
We have been given. Your Lordship, on Friday, I believe. I was on
Friday,
leave from
oh.
office on
Maybe
Friday.
they did not file it, or it's not reflected anyway. Right. Though the petitioner's counsel submits that rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 1 to 4 has been filed, the same is not a part of the record. Further, the office note dated 27/5/26. 27/5 is what? 27/5/26 states that no rejoinder affidavit has been filed. Petitioner to verify the same and list the matter after a week.
My Lord, can you have on Thursday, my Lord?
You verify. Don't argue on facts.
Item 10.
Lordship, may I kindly seek for further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply, my Lord.
In item?
Item 10.
No. You tell me what is your case.
Your Lordship, to be honest, since I'm thinking of only praying for time, then if it may come up tomorrow, if your Lordship is...
Item 10, my Lord, on the last occasion, my Lord, I am appearing, my Lord. As per the last order, my Lord, they sought time to file reply to the affidavit.
I know, there's nothing to file, no reply is required. It is basically a question of fact. You go to the civil court, that's all. It's a pure question of fact. When you see the affidavit in opposition, there's nothing to say. You are only going to say that this is wrong. It's going to be back and forth. You take evidence in the civil court. That's the only way out.
At least it may come up tomorrow then, my Lord.
Tomorrow.
Then if
Right.
your Lordship is going to dispose of, then
Yes,
I'll prepare
I'll
myself.
dispose tomorrow. Right. This court is of the view, prima facie view, that the matter should be, that the petitioner should approach the civil court as the matter pertains to disputed questions of fact regarding a claim for rupees 9,28,74,930. Full stop. Though the petitioner's counsel had prayed for time to file affidavit in reply, this court is not inclined to grant the same, and is not inclined to grant any further time, as the same had already been granted by order dated 2/3/2026. List the matter tomorrow for disposal.
Obliged.
Item 12.
Item 12.
Sorry, item 11.
May I please, Your Lordship, in this item, I have spoken to the counsel for the respondents. Then we both agreed to the matter may be referred to mediation center.
Mediation.
Yes.
Okay, right. Who's for the other side?
Miss Caroline.
I am appearing on behalf of the state respondents number 1 to 3.
Okay, you all wanted to be referred to the mediation center?
I will have to seek instructions from the
What?
department, Your Lordship.
You see, the thing is, look,
Yes.
is there a mediation cell out here? Is there a mediation cell in Aizawl?
Yes, you have in
Yeah.
this High Court also, yes.
We have the High Court.
Yes.
Who is the mediators?
Miss H. Lalmal Swami.
H. Ramaswamy.
Yes.
Anyway, she doesn't know. She hasn't got instructions for mediation.
Yes.
I will seek instructions from the department.
No, you see, more than that, they have supplied sports goods for around 17 lakhs, 94,000. Find out whether this is an admitted amount, that's all.
Yes, my lord.
Is it? Huh? You just find out whether it's admitted. If it's an admitted amount, you have to pay.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll do that.
When? Thursday, by Thursday. You get information by Thursday. Tell,
Yes, Lordship, I will try to get
yes,
instructions.
otherwise we will call your sports director to the court and ask him. Right. Miss Caroline L. Lungoipui, Learned Government Counsel, shall obtain instructions by Thursday as to whether the respondents admit to the claim of the petitioner that he had supplied sports goods worth rupees 17,94,400, and whether the said amount has been paid or not. This is the matter on Thursday.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
Item 12.
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, I have on the last occasion, I have instruction about to clear the nature of the VC pass. Your Lordship, I have instruction from the petitioners. The nature of the VC pass is a garden pass. So I want to submit that the nature of the petitioner is a VC pass. However, Your Lordship, may I take Your Lordship to page 13 of the petition, Your Lordship.
Page 13 of the appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship, appeal.
Page 13 of the appeal.
Yes, page 13, Your Lordship.
Yes.
On parasi, on acquisition proceedings. Parasi.
C.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
On acquisition proceedings commenced under National Highway Act 1956 read with respondent could not resort to local acts deny compensation. Your Lordship, in these matters, the VC, all the land owners of the petitioners were included in the award already.
Just tell me the facts of the case.
Yes, Your
So
Lordship.
award was there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And you got compensation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then you challenged that.
No, Your Lordship, I did not challenge that.
Then who went to the arbitrator? Did you all go to reference or what?
My lord, there were 75 petitioner who went to arbitrator. Out of that,
Why did they go to the arbitrator?
because they were not given land compensation. They were holding
Ah.
a VC pass. They were not given a land compensation. However, all the things attached to their land, they have been compensated
Okay,
for.
crops were given.
Yes,
for crops.
Maharaj, yes.
Crops and for houses.
I think
No,
only
Your
for the
Lordship.
crops.
Huh?
No houses, Your
Only
Lordship.
for
Only for the crops.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, in the compensation that was given to you,
Yes, Your Lordship.
compensation is the award number. So, in the compensation that was given to you,
Yes, Your Lordship.
only for crops it was given.
Yes, Your Lordship. The land value was denied by the
Land value
respondent.
denied, not
Yes,
given.
Your Lordship.
And then, so you challenge that award
Yes, Your Lordship.
before the arbitrator,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and arbitrator dismissed your challenge.
Yes, Your Lordship. There
Is
is
it? Is it?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Is it correct or
Yes,
not?
yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Say that first.
Yes.
Then, so now you have come against the. Then you went to before the civil court
Yes,
under
Your
section 34.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That also was dismissed,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and now you have come here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Now let us go step by step. Where is the award?
Yes, Your Lordship. The award on page 34 of arbitrator award. Your Lordship, there is 74 landowners, and out of 13 landowners was awarded of land value, which the landowners was also a VC pass, Your Lordship. And the other
Let us go to the award first. Where is the award?
on page 34, Your Lordship.
This is the arbitrator's award.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is the award passed under the Act for compensation?
On page 70, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Page 70.
70.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is the forwarding? There is no forwarding. This is the award.
Yes,
This
Your
award
Lordship.
has been issued under what provision of law? Yes. Under what provision of law has this award been passed?
3G, my lords.
Huh?
3G. 3G1. 3G of National Highway Act, my lords.
1959?
56, my lords.
56. Yes, so where is your names?
Your Lordship, on serial number 43, 44, 47, 48, 49, 50, 52, 53, 55, 57. And the next page, Your
And
Lordship.
this award is dated? Dated?
Let's not.
Yes, who's for Kala?
Your Lordship,
Isn't
they are not
Kala
appear.
party here?
Yes,
I'm
Your
going-
Lordship.
I'm going to ask for a personal appearance with the file. Who's the... let them come.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 1, my lords.
This is not the way to... there's matters are going on. Kala is not bothered. What is this, madam? Let him personally appear with all the files. Day after tomorrow.
Your Lordship, if I may, if this case pertains to Kolasib has a designated standing counsel for Kala, Your Lordship.
Who?
Mr. Jonathan.
Where is he?
Your Lordship, he has not appeared in the court today.
If
Your
he's
Lordship.
not come, we are going to ask the officer to come. You tell him.
Yes, Your Lordship, I will inform the same.
This is not the way to do things. Yes, so then how many VC pass holders were there?
63, Your Lordship.
No, altogether.
Uh,
You all are how many? You all are more than that.
yes, Your Lordship.
Before the arbitrator, there were 75 petitioner.
Before the arbitrator, there were
75.
75. And now, today, here,
63, Your Lordship.
63.
Yes.
And in the award,
In the award, Your Lordship, 13 persons, 13 landowners were awarded land value, and 3
but
is
those 13 VC pass holders, what kind of passes did they have?
Yes.
House side passes or
garden pass, Your Lordship.
garden pass?
Yes.
My lords,
She is a
may I
PP
correct my
pata.
lords?
Huh?
Out of 75 my lords, 74 or 75, 8 were awarded on the basis that were holding a VC house passes,
Okay.
and 3 were holding periodic patta.
Oh, okay. So in this award is for how many persons? In page 70, this is the full award.
Page
This
70 is like 3G awards, my lords. In
3G award is for how many persons?
My lords, that's the number of persons are so many. Their grievance was in the 3G award. They were not compensated for the land value, for which they have gone before the arbitrator to seek compensation with respect to the land value. Now, the learned arbitrator, on the presumption that they were holding the VC passes and they were not even regularized also, they excluded them for the land compensation. However, there were 8 petitioner who were holding VC house passes and they were regularized also. So, the learned arbitrator granted only those 8 VC pass. Also, there were 3 petitioner holding periodic patta. They were also in the issue was revised to escalation of land
Just a
value
minute.
also.
So altogether, 75 persons went to arbitrator.
Yes, my lords.
And out of 75, 8 were having VC house pass. Correct?
Yes, my lords.
And and 3 were having PP, periodic patta.
Yes, my lords.
So that means 11.
Is it correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, my lords.
11.
Yes.
Now, how many people are before this, before the civil court? How many people went before the civil court?
Your Lordship, 63.
63.
Yes, Your Lordship.
How 63 went? So that means 1% left. He did not take up the issue.
Yes, my lord.
There were altogether 75 who went before the arbitrator. Correct?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
And my lords, out of 75, as per the arbitrator award, there were 2 petitioner whose case was decided in different arbitration case. So they were excluded actually completely.
So how can it be? It doesn't match up. The maths doesn't add up. 75 persons went to the arbitrator. Where is the arbitrator's award?
Page 34, my lords.
Applicants Kerala Lupuya and 74 others. 74, that means 75 went.
75, yes.
75 went. Now where is those persons who
My
are
lord, may
given?
come to page 37.
37.
My lords, there is a serial number starting from the one page before, 1
Yeah.
to 10.
Yes.
Out of that, my lord, may see serial number 1 and 10.
Now,
There is a bracket which says their case has been decided in different arbitration case.
okay.
So remaining there are 8.
Huh.
And The other three can be noted from page 45, my lords. The 8 persons are entitled to receive the land value.
So basically, in the minute books of the village council, it is not the issue of whether they were having house site or not.
No, my lord.
It is not that.
My lord, may come to page para 5.3 at
Yes.
page 36.
Yes.
In VC sitting, it was mentioned at several dates at the VC passes were to be checked and regularized. Those persons who were allotted VC house passes.
Okay.
And, and my,
So 8 of them got, huh?
and my lord, at page 45, you will find the other 3 who were holding periodic patta.
45.
Para 9. The eligible landowner that is holding valid VC passes as mentioned in 5.3 of the arbitral award, and those holding periodic patta, namely the 3 person, are entitled to 9% interest.
Altogether, 10 plus 3 would be 13.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, if you minus 75, minus 13 out of 75, you get how many left? 62?
62.
Then how come you have got 63 persons going to the first separate court? How is it possible? You should be having 62, not 63.
Yes.
That's true, my lords.
Your Lordship, I have instruction from my senior in that regard. In the additional district and session judge, there is 2 cases and it was clubbed together. So in the in the order,
What 2 cases were clubbed together?
I don't know. I don't know clearly about that, but Your Lordship, that is the instruction I have got from my senior.
Let me clarify, my lords. Before the arbitrator, there were 75 petitioner, and when it comes before 34, there were 2 different cases.
34?
34 before additional district and session judge as being referred.
Yes.
So there were 2 different cases arising out of same arbitral award.
Okay.
Yes.
One was done by NHIDCL against those 13 who has been granted, and the other side, they have gone in a separate case before 34 in a separate case. So there were 2 cases arising out of same arbitral award.
Correct.
Under
But
34.
then this arbitration petition at page, is it an order passed by the district court,
Yes,
by the
Your
civil court?
District-
In this arbitration petition 3, it speaks of only one case.
Yes. Malad, that I'm just clarifying what my learned friend is
How
trying
can
to.
it, if it joins the 2 cases?
No.
there
It
has to
was
be 2
not
numbers.
joined. That is what I'm trying to submit before Lordship.
It still doesn't add up, Mr. Counsel. If there are 75 persons and 13 persons are taken out, then you've got 62 persons left. How can there be 63 appellants? There has to be 62 appellants.
Yes.
Yes. Where is the operative portion of the order by the civil judge?
Hello, that is at para 22. May I read, Your Lordship? In my considered view, not allowing payment of the land value compensation to those landowner holding land passes covered by VC pass other than house pass is not against the public policy of India. The VC pass possessed by the petitioner being not regularized and not found in a minute book of the village council of North Chimlung Kolasep district is in the opinion of this court are not entitled to land value compensation and other benefit as per the provision contained under the Lusai Hills District House Site Act 1953. Hence, the impugn arbitral award is opined not to be contrary to the substantive law and not against the public policy of India. If may I clarify,
at page 70, no, you said the award?
3G award or arbitral
Yes,
award?
3G award. These VC passes are all prior to 2013, correct?
Not all, Your Lordship.
Some are after 2013?
Yes, Your Lordship.
After the act?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Give me the Mizoram Revenue Act 2013.
My lord, if may I address page 8 of the appeal, my lords. My lords, what is their submission is that they should be treated equally with the other landholder. With the other landholder, for example, the LSC holder and the other periodic patta holder. That is their grievances that if in one case they are being given the land compensation, why not the VC pass holder also being compensated for the land value? But my lord, that is against the Land Revenue Act 2013 because VC pass holder doesn't have any rights towards the land. So they do not possess any right for compensation.
Give me the red book. We don't have the red book, the book. No, you don't have. In there, Ale Kabu, Ale Kabu in Tolo, Museum 13 Act, library, at the two. Mizoram 13 Act. Ah, yes. Why are you using those useless? Yes, what is your prayer? What
Yes, Your Lordship, in that regard, I want to reply the
Yes.
learned. Your Lordship, the award was met. The compensation was...
Ente, sana say muem, sana. So, claro. Yes.
Your Lordship, the award was made. and already released the compensation amount to the petitioners. This is not a question of about the genuineness of the VC pass, about the what is the
Mr. Counsel, the money that was given to you was for land or for crops? What? For what?
For crops, Your Lordship.
Then
the land value was not denied.
Why should it be given to you? On what basis?
Your Lordship,
What is the law?
Yes, Your Lordship, it is already allowed. Because in the case of WPC 141 of 2006, this Honorable Court already passed the order about that situation, Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship? And I have a copy. On para 12, Your Lordship.
Yes.
On land cover by Village Council passes have been included in a ward made under Land Acquisition Act 1894. The question of whether they are valid or not cannot be gone into at a subsequent stage, Your Lordship. And it was upheld in alia.
That is with regard to Land Acquisition
That
Act.
is with regard to when
Yes, Your
the
Lordship.
land has been acquired.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Out here, your land has not been acquired. Only the crops have been acquired. That's the thing. We have been given basically compensation for the crops, though you are not entitled to it. You have been given. This is where land acquisition had been compensation for the land had been given, and enhancement had been prayed for.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's slightly different.
And my lord, Section 27 of the Land Revenue Act, Mizoram Land Revenue Act 2013, it tells the right of the pass holder, my lords.
Huh?
Section 27 of the Mizoram Land Revenue Act 2013, it talks about the right of the pass holder.
Yes.
Right of a pass holder, Section 27, my lords. A pass holder shall have no right in the land held by him beyond the right of use and occupancy for such period and under such term and condition as may be specified in the pass, and shall have no right of transfer, inheritance, or of subletting beyond the period so specified. Provided that where no period has been specified in the existing pass, validity of such pass shall unless renewed, be deemed to have been continued as a valid pass for a period not exceeding 5 years from the date of commencement of this act. So, my lords, they have been compensated for the crop. The land for which they are asking for the compensation, they have no right over it. And that was a ground their land compensation has not been included by Kala in 3G award, my lords.
You see, as per this act in section 39, only house size can be allotted as per the 2013 Act.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Only house size can be allotted. And that also only for an area not more than 1 bigha. And your land is, and out here there is nothing to show the area. And this is being given for crops, correct?
Crops and trees, Your Lordship.
For crops and
Trees.
trees.
That was for agriculture purpose, my lords.
So now, where is your case? What is wrong?
Your Lordship, the land was acquired by the respondent, Your Lordship. The award was made based on the village council pass, Your Lordship. They already know about the VC pass was issued after 2013, but they did not question about the village council genuineness in arbitrator, Your Lordship, and civil court, Your Lordship.
How big is your land? How big is your land?
Your Lordship, before 2013, there is 37 landowners. Pass was issued.
Mr. Council, can't you understand the question put to you?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Give me the size of the land of one person. But what is the size of the land?
Your Lordship, I don't.
Say that you don't know. Don't answer something else. You have to answer directly to the point.
Yes.
Right. Heard Mr. Lalthang Moya.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Moya,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the Appellants. And Mr. Kartik Jain, Learned Counsel for the NHIDC. The appellants are aggrieved with the non-payment of compensation for land value in respect of the lands of the appellants which are covered by village council passes and have been acquired by whom? Acquired by whom the land?
NHIDCL, my lords.
Acquired by the NHIDC. The appellant's case is that an award under section 3G of the National Highway Act 1956, hereinafter referred to as the 1956 Act, NHA Act, was issued wherein compensation had been provided to the appellants for the crops and trees standing on their lands. Full stop. However, as no compensation for the land, for the acquired land had been given, they submit that the respondents are bound to give compensation to them for the land in view of Article 300A of the Constitution. The Appellant's Counsel thus submits that the impugned award, insofar as it has denied compensation for land value, should be. They accordingly submit that the impugned award, the award under 3G, insofar as it has denied compensation for land value, is bad in law and liable to be set aside. Further, the arbitrator's award dated
Well, 5th September 2023.
5/9/2023, passed by the learned arbitrator, and the impugned judgment and order dated 3/11/25, passed by the additional district and session judge, Kolasip, in arbitration petition number 3 of 2023, should also be set aside. The appellants thus pray that a direction should be issued to the respondents to pay compensation for land value to the appellants. Next para. The Mr. Kartik Jain,
Kartik.
learned counsel for the
NHIDCL respondent number 2.
NHIDCL, respondents number
2, my lords.
respondent number 2. Submits that there is no infirmity with the award issued under section 3G, the arbitrator's award and the impugned judgment and order passed by the additional district and session judge scholarship. Full stop. He submits that the present appellants VC passes are not house site passes, and neither have they been and neither have their record and neither have the said passes been found in the
VC minute book, my lords.
in the village council, in the minute books of the village council of North Chimluang, Kolasip district. As such, the VC passes with the appellant's claim to be the land holding certificate are not regular passes. That's all. Are fabricated passes. What?
My lord, we are not challenging the VC
Passes.
passes. They were for the agriculture purpose. We are resorting to section 27 of the Land Revenue Act, which says they don't have the
What have I
right
said?
over the land.
Are not regular passes, because it said here regular. Are not regular passes, and in view of section 27 of the Mizoram.
Your Lordship, may I?
Just a minute. In the Mizoram Land Revenue Act 2013, a pass holder can have no right in the land held by him beyond the rights of use and occupancy for such period which cannot exceed 5 years. from the date of commencement of the Act. Full stop. Further, as the award had been issued on
3G or
3G, award under 3G had been issued on
I don't
5/9. You don't have the
that's the arbitral award. 5/9 is arbitral award, not the 3G award.
3G is when?
The covering letter is not annexed in the
You all
petition.
don't have anything, both of you all have been issued. Further, what have I said? Further, as more than 5 years had passed. When was the 3G award passed, issued?
Your Lordship, it was not mentioned about the year. It was mentioned in August. It was only mentioned August.
Was issued on dash, that is beyond the passes that the passes that the appellant's claim is the land document does not have any further validity. In as much as the VC passes were issued between the periods from when? When was it issued?
Your Lordship,
From
37 landowners VC pass was issued
Which
before
year?
2013.
from which year?
Your Lordship, 9.
Both of you all don't do any homework. Very useless. When was the VC pass issued, Mr. Cartesian?
That document does not pertain to us. We are not having a copy.
What do
of
you
it.
mean you don't have this? You have the appeal petition with you. This is at page 70. The VC pass dates are there. The year is there.
Your Lordship, 1988.
Huh?
1988.
From 1988
Yeah.
till?
This is the oldest one.
Till? And the youngest?
2018, Your Lordship.
Till 2018. Yes, Mr. Nandan Louis, this is the full stop. This is not, you see, you all not coming at all. I think I'll call the secretary and the DCs. It is not done. You should, this is a court case. You are not bothered about this court cases.
Your Lordship, as submitted earlier, they have a separate counsel. Mr. Jonathan Lalin Tuanga is the counsel for Kala Scholarship specifically, Your Lordship.
We cannot go running after the councils, no?
Yes, Your Lordship. If
It
required,
is let them come tomorrow with the records. The DC will specifically come here. Right. On further perusal, on a consideration, on considering the case, this court feels very handicapped in the absence of the respondent number 1, which is the CALA Kolasip district / Deputy Commissioner Kolasip. No one appears on his behalf and no records have been brought before this court. Accordingly, the respondent number 1 is directed to appear with the records, with all the records personally, failing which consequences will follow tomorrow. Failing which consequences will follow. Mrs. London Hui shall inform the concerned authority to appear before this court with all the records pertaining to this case, and especially the award passed under 3G. This is the matter tomorrow.
My lords, can we file the counter affidavit if required?
What?
Counter affidavit, can we file the counter affidavit
No.
if required?
You should have said that in the beginning. Why are you saying it now?
Obliged, my lords.
Item 14.
If he doesn't come, we are going to file a bailable warrant of arrest tomorrow. We are going to issue.
Your Lordship, in this matter, I have instructions to appear on behalf of for the sole respondent. I am yet to obtain a copy of the application as well from the other side. I have filed my power this morning, my lord. Item 14. This IA is regarding condonation of delay of 253 days.
Okay. So you want time?
Yes, one time for filing of written objection.
Okay, Mr. B. Lana Menga submits that he will be appearing for
Sole respondent.
the sole respondent and prays for how much time?
2 weeks time, my lord.
Prays for 2 weeks time to file affidavit in person. Written objection. This is the matter after 2 weeks.
Oblige me.
Hello, Bletch.
Item 15.
Your Lordship, the paper book costs have been paid by the appellant, Your Lordship. The matter can be listed for hearing.
They are paid.
Yes. As per the office noting.
Yes. What is this matter?
Your Lordship, this is regarding location of the LSC belonging to the appellant as compared to the private respondents. There's a dispute regarding the location of the LSC belonging to the appellant as per the location of the LSC belonging to the private respondents. The revenue survey had concluded that the location of the LSC of the appellant could not be located. Although in previous verifications on 3-4 occasions, the location could be located. But on the last occasion, the assistant director survey said that the location cannot be located.
Where is that?
It can be listed for hearing.
Huh?
It can be listed for hearing.
It will be ready.
Today is for orders.
You have been given the paper book.
Yes, sir.
Mr. R. Malhotra submits that he has been given the paper book and also submits that cost of the paper book has been furnished to the registry. Yes, what about you all?
I am here for the respondent number 5 and 6, my lord.
Have you all got the paper book?
Yes, my lord.
What is your name?
Miss Rosie Manlom Sangi, my lord.
And what about you, Miss Landundri?
Yes, your lordship, today I am appearing on behalf of Mrs. Linda, who is
And
the conducting...
you all have got the paper book?
Yes, your lordship, I believe so.
Miss Landundri appearing for?
Mrs. Linda, your lordship, learned AEG.
Mrs. Linda, learned AEG. And Miss?
Rosie Manlom Sangi, my lord.
Rosie Manlom Sangi, counsel for the respondent number 5 and 6, submit that they have received copies of the paper book. List the matter for hearing.
Obliged, my lord.
After 2 weeks.
Anyone for hearing?
Your Lordship, this item 8, the senior advocate, Mr. Ramzao, is appearing. He requested if this can be taken up on Wednesday.
Item?
8.
Item 8?
Part 2,
Okay.
Your Lordship, Part 2, item 8.
What is this matter about?
This is regarding, Your Lordship, acquisition of land, border fencing. So this matter can be taken up on Wednesday, after DB.
DB? We'll be having DB from tomorrow. We'll start.
From tomorrow?
From tomorrow we'll start.
Within this item 5 and 8.
5 and 8?
Yes. If 5 can come up on Thursday, Your Lordship.
Both Thursday.
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 I'm obliged.
That's all. Acha, that matter, you just tell those Mr. Kartik and whatever. We'll list it on tomorrow will be too short. We'll list it on Wednesday. Wednesday at okay.